Hello, so we're back. Friday, and we have a nice laptop here to repair. Check here, Acer Nitro. So what do you think is the problem with this laptop? The hinge. No, the hinge is not the problem. Yeah? I mean, it is a problem, but the first problem is not working. It's not coming on, it's not doing anything. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. So the hinge is just, come like a bonus. So let's plug the charger. Plug in the charger. We have the charger on screen. It's taking no power at all. Pressing the power button. It's taking no current, nothing. Dead. So, what do you think? We should fix it? Yeah, we should fix the hinge, huh? Okay. Wow. Check here. Huh? I mean, so much dust on this laptop. Ooh. Clearly, this laptop has never been opened. Check there. Huh? I mean, it's full of dust. It's no surprise this laptop died. If it's this kind of dust here, yeah, you can see, just think what is inside of the fans. Yeah, let's remove the battery. I mean, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Check there on the hard drive. Check there. You see, everywhere it's lot of dust. So we disconnect the battery. Let's check the main power rail. Yeah. Main power rail, which is where? Which is like, those capacitors. 0 ohms. Oh. Wait, because the charger is still plugged in. Let me unplug the charger. No, it's not shorted. No, the capacitors are getting charged. The main power rail is not shorted, lol. I mean, this is the first gaming laptop with a power rail which is not shorted. Let's check the voltage on the main power rail. So the voltage is, look, you have a big test point here. 3 point, what? 3.2. Huh? 3.2 volts? Let me check on a different power supply. Here. .3 volts. Input voltage is 19. So you can see the charging port is good. Yeah, no problem with that. The first MOSFET, the second MOSFET, I have no idea where it is. I'm assuming it's on the other side of the board. This is strange and it's weird because it's not shorted and it's not working. And if somehow the first MOSFETs it's limiting the current and the voltage gets dropped to 3.2 volts, then if we are coming with a power supply with more voltage and more current, bad things can happen. But the problem is if the first MOSFET is limiting the current, yeah, there is no current. That's the problem. That's what I don't understand what's going on here. So let me come with the power supply. Power supply here, let's limit the voltage, 3 volts. Let's limit the current. Yeah, we don't need 4 amps. Yeah, 1 amp. And coming with current here, it's taking nothing. 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 19. It's taking no current. Huh? Usually, gaming laptops, they are coming with, like shorted main power rail, but not this one. On this one, the main power is just missing. Okay, then it's a must to find the first two MOSFETs. Yeah. Okay, so we took out the heatsink. Everything looks fine. I mean, I don't know what is inside. If it's working, I will gonna clean the heatsink. I still can't see the first two MOSFETs, so I'm gonna take the motherboard out because I have no choice. Okay, so the motherboard is out. Wow, this looks bad. Check that. Huh? Can you spot anything? So what do you think about our first two MOSFETs? It still is good news because, you know, the main power is not shorted. Then maybe you can fix it. What do you think about our first two MOSFETs? So this one is gone. Yeah, 1 ohm. Yeah. And this one is good. No, we cannot get this desolder. This is welded here. No, we can't do it. We can't do it. Like that, maybe. Yeah. Oh, lol. I broke the laptop. I can't believe. Oh. Look, a resistor there. Oh, what a prick. Okay, let's remove the MOSFET. Let's try to make those things back. The track is not, yeah, the layer is fine, you can see. So the layer is not burned. But this one has to be soldered. This resistor has to be on top. Yeah, there. Yeah, we don't need a capacitor. We need this inductor. Good. Inductor, where is the inductor? Found it. Good. Seems to be okay. Let me find a resistor. You said it's not the same value. Yeah, it will be fine, you know. It's called tuning. Check that, 19.8, 19.8. And here we have 19.8. Lol, everything is working fine. So this MOSFET is good. I mean, yeah, it has some solder balls there. 19. Check here, over 20 volts. So here should be 25, which means everything is okay. Check there, 24.9. And here we have 24.9, 25 volts. So everything is fine. This resistor, yeah, that's fine. The main power rail is present. That means this laptop should work now. So can we test it? Huh? Where is the power button? 1 second. So if the power button is on the keyboard, we should have 3.3. Yeah, 3.3. Yeah, it's coming on. It's coming on. Check that. Check that. You see there? Current. Let me raise the current because the current is too low. So if you have this laptop Nitro 5, you sure the first 2 pins. Yeah, it's on. It's on. I can't believe it's working. Now we can take care of the hinge. So that's the hinge. Huh? All good? I believe the hinge is done. What do you think? Perfect. Plug in the charger and it's taking nothing. Let's press the power button. Pressing the power button and it's coming on. It's working. I can't believe it took so long for the laptop to come on. It's working. It's working great. It's working great. Okay? Perfect. Okay, I will put it all back together. I will not keep you here. I will say thank you for watching. And see you on the next one, right? Yeah, weekend is coming. Have a great weekend. Bye.